if you can see, I have all my fidget here, and I wanted to do some, how you call this, rating my fidget toys. So let's get started. So there are all my poppets, there are my dimples, and over here I got mystery fidgets. So first let's get started with the poppets. So first we got this bear. This is the quiet side, now this is the loud side. I don't like this one that much, so I give it like a 3 out of 10. Then we got this one right here. This one's kind of like a lobster. I don't know what this is. So this is the quiet sound. Now this one is the loud side. So this one is like the same as the bear one, but like in different shape. I probably give this one a 5 out of 10. Not my favorite, but I still like it. Now we got this heart poppet. This one is one of my favorite poppets. So I give this one a 9 out of 10. So then we got this rainbow poppet. This one is also one of my favorites. I give this one a 9 out of 10 too. So then we got this butterfly poppet over here. This is also one of my favorites because it glows in the dark. So yeah, let's pop them and see. This one is very good. Okay, I love this one, and it's also glow in the dark. Then we got this square poppet, hard shell. This one is pretty good. Now let's pop the outside. So this one I rate a 7 out of 10. It's pretty good. Oops. Then we got this feet poppet. This is probably my favorite one of all of these. This one is my favorite. So pretty and so cute. Then we got this mini poppet. This one is pretty cute and so freaking good. I probably give this one a 7 out of 10. This is the last poppet, so this one is so cute. I love this one. Probably I will give this one a 8 out of 10. Now we got the dimples. This one I got it in a package and it's pretty good, but there's one piece is kind of broken. So, but this one is very good. So I give this one I'm gonna say 8 out of 10. Now this other dimple. This is very cute. This is supposed to spin, but I don't know what happened. It doesn't spin no more. So I like it. Now let's do another motion. Whoa. So we got this paw print, and look what I did to it. So cute, with a little keychain. So this one is pretty cute. I love this one. This one gets a 10 out of 10. So pretty. Ooh. Now let's do another motion. Whoa. This one is one of my other favorite fidgets. So pretty. I love this one. This one gets a 9 out of 10. Like this. This is my last dimple. So it's good. I like it. This gets a 7 out of 10 for me. Now we're moving on to our mystery fidgets. Let's get one randomly. Ooh. Ooh, I got monkey noodles. Wait, there's still one monkey noodle over here. So now let's rate these. I like monkey noodles a lot. They're so fun to play with. And these were one of the fidgets that I really wanted to get, but I couldn't find the real ones, so I found these ones. They're mini monkey noodles. So these ones are so cool. Now let's do another fidget. Oh, a Neato. I love Neatos. They're so cool. I used to have another one, but the other one exploded. So, yeah. This one is one of the coolest fidget ever. Boop. Then we got some marble mesh. These are also one of my favorite fidgets. I know I have lots of favorite fidgets, but I can't control myself. I got 3 of them, but like I think I lost one, so. Then we got this. I don't know how you call this. Probably it's like a Rubik's snake. I'm just using one hand because like right now I'm recording with my other hand, so. So pretty. This one is one of like, I don't know, one of my first fidgets, so yeah. Then we got a squishy. Squishy. I love squishies. So cute. Oops. I rate this one like a 7 out of 10. Moving on with these chickens. I don't love these chickens. They're a little boring. So this one gets a 2 out of 1. And they get dirty so easily. I don't know if you can see that. That's disgusting. Then we got mochis. They're in this little packaging. I like mochis. They're so cute and they get dirty so easily. Oh my god, that's disgusting. So these are my last 2 fidgets. These are like squishy. This one is a little squishy. And this one is like a little squishy too, but like a stress ball kind of. Oh my god. Bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Comment down below something. So yeah. Comment down below what you want to see on my channel. So, yeah, bye!